Hey guys, look at this. Who is there? This is a red cat. And this is a black cat. And a blue mouse came to visit them. And then came the bull terrier. And this is the German Shepherd himself. And of course a red cat with a fish. Do you like a cat? Bye.